What's up, guys? Today I'm taking you behind the scenes of the new SMS Autoresponder, showing you the automation that happens when someone texts in a keyword inside the Legendary Leads app. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. With that being said, let's dive right in. What's going on, guys? Wanted to jump on here and show you the new SMS Autoresponder automation. So if you want to try it out, you can text demo to 319-250-6868. And I'll show you what happens on the back end. Basically, it's going to add you to a pipeline in the Legendary Lead system. You're going to get a text message. You'll get a voicemail drop. And then it will wait 1 minute, and I'll send you another text message with a link to a 7-day free trial of the Legendary Lead software. If you click that link, it's actually going to move you to a new stage in the pipeline. And if you reply back to the text message, it will also move you to a different stage in the pipeline. So basically, to automate inbound leads, you can use keywords like house, cash buyer, whatever you would want to use for a keyword. And that's another way to generate some leads on autopilot. You can put this out on promotional materials. I actually built like this, start your own VIP text club, text demo to 319-250-6868. I turned mine into a QR code as well, so people can scan that. And basically, it will automatically compose the message for them. All they have to do is hit send, and then it triggers this automation. So if it works for you guys, I'm going to jump into a screen share and actually show you behind the scenes of what happens in this automation. So let me take off this overlay here, and we will do a screen share. So this is the back end of our system right here. I have my phone up so you can see in real time what's going to happen. So basically, I'm going to text the keyword demo, and I'm just going to scan this QR code for that to work. Tap it up here, composes a message for me, and I'll send that message, which is demo. And some actions are going to take place. So watch this pipeline stage on the left here, and you can watch my phone as well. What's up, Maddie? There we go. So you saw I got added to the pipeline stage right here. I'm also assigned it to a user, which is just myself. If you have multiple team members, you can set these up to assign to any of those team members as well. I also just set a default name basically for the keyword because I do have multiple autoresponders. So basically, I could have a keyword for demo. I could also have one for free course, stuff like that. And this is probably going to trigger multiple times because I did it twice. But that's the initial SMS. And then we got a voicemail drop. And then it waits 1 minute. And then it will send another text message. In that second text message, we have a trigger link. So if someone clicks that link, it's going to move them over to this pipeline stage, and it will wait 1 minute and send them another text. If any replies come from this this campaign, it will also move them to this stage. And that's the basics of this automation. So I'm basically opting people in to a VIP text club. I send them a voicemail drop, which is like, hey, this is Derek from Legendary Leads. Just showing you a demo of the Legendary Leads software. I'll be sending you a link where you can check it out, get a 7-day free trial, yada, yada, yada. Then if they click that link, they get moved over here. So here's that second text message. So I'll just click this link here. All it is a trigger link that goes to my website. And now you can see this lead is moved over in the pipeline. So it's a way to track hot leads kind of automatically. You can do some inbound lead generation and stuff like that. I should be getting another text message since I fired that campaign twice. But that's the basics, and I set it to allow multiple. You can set it to not allow multiple, and that's what I would do probably. But just for the demo, I wanted to make sure it would fire. And there's that voicemail drop. So I can click into voicemail and play that. Hey, this is Derek from Legendary Lead. Just dropping you a voicemail to show you the power of our SMS Autoresponder and the Legendary Lead software. If you want to try this out for yourself, you can get a 7-day free trial. I shot you the link via SMS. Feel free to go sign up. If you do sign up, I'll actually upgrade you to our top plan, and you'll have all additional features included and be price locked for life. So go ahead and sign up via that link, and I'll hope to see you soon inside the application. So you can see that after 1 minute of me clicking this link, it actually shot me a follow-up SMS as well. And it says, saw you just click the link to check out the 7-day free trial. Feel free to reply back if you have any questions. And that's just to get some engagement from your list. So if someone replies back, I don't have an automation set up, but you could set something up for that as well. Basically, you could look for positive intent keywords or exact match keywords, and you could fire triggers, based off of those, and then whatever follow-up actions you would want. But that's the basics. If you guys want to try this out, like I said, you can text demo to 319-250-6868. And I'll put that banner back up on the screen here for you guys. So just text demo to 319-250-6868. You can try this out yourself. I do make these automations available for people who would like them inside their accounts. So if you want to have your own SMS autoresponder and have me, set up this workflow, I basically can just clone this. You can go in and swap your keyword or whatever keyword you want and change out the messaging, and it'll be good to go. So that's pretty much what I had for today. Appreciate you guys, and I'll check you on the next video. All right, guys, that was the demo for the text message autoresponder. Feel free to subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. And go ahead and sign up for a 7-day free trial of the Legendary Lead software, and I'll see you inside the app. Appreciate you guys. Catch you on the next video.